Gardeners today face a new challenge: extreme weather. Heat waves scorch crops, leaving them parched and struggling to survive. The intense sun can be relentless, causing significant damage to even the hardiest of plants. Droughts turn gardens to dust, making it difficult for plants to find the moisture they need to thrive. The once fertile soil becomes cracked and barren, a stark reminder of the power of nature. Heavy rains flood planting beds, drowning roots and washing away nutrients. The excess water can be just as damaging as the lack of it, creating a challenging environment for growth. These unpredictable events can devastate a garden, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Storms can uproot plants, and sudden temperature changes can shock them, making recovery difficult. But with some planning, gardeners can adapt. By understanding the patterns of weather and preparing for the unexpected, they can create a more resilient garden. This means choosing resilient plants and using smart gardening practices. Selecting drought-tolerant varieties and those that can withstand heavy rains is crucial. These plants are bred to survive in tough conditions, giving your garden a fighting chance. This video will explore climate-resilient gardening techniques. From soil preparation to plant selection, we'll cover everything you need to know to build a garden that can weather any storm. We'll discuss how to select tough vegetables and build healthy soil. Enriching the soil with compost and organic matter can improve its structure and water-holding capacity, making it more resilient to both drought and flood. We'll delve into water management for both drought and excess rain. Techniques like drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting can help you make the most of available water, ensuring your plants get what they need without waste. Finally, we'll learn how to protect plants from heat, wind, and frost. Using shade cloths, windbreaks, and frost covers can shield your plants from extreme conditions, giving them a better chance to thrive. By embracing these strategies, gardeners can create productive and beautiful gardens. With the right techniques, your garden can flourish, providing you with a bountiful harvest even in the face of adversity. These gardens will thrive even in the face of challenging weather. By being proactive and prepared, you can ensure that your garden remains a source of joy and sustenance. Get ready to outsmart the elements and enjoy a bountiful harvest. With knowledge and preparation, you can turn the unpredictable into an opportunity for growth and abundance. Choosing the right vegetables is crucial for climate resilience. Some vegetables tolerate heat and drought better than others. Some thrive in cooler temperatures and can handle a light frost. For hot, dry climates, consider drought-tolerant varieties. Okra, eggplant, and sweet potatoes are good choices. These vegetables have deep roots that can access water deep in the soil. For cooler climates, opt for cold, hardy vegetables. Broccoli, kale, and spinach can withstand light frosts. Research varieties that are known for their resilience. Look for descriptions like heat-tolerant, drought-resistant, or cold-hardy. Seed catalogs and online resources are great places to find this information. Healthy soil is the foundation of a resilient garden. It is the bedrock upon which all plant life thrives, providing the essential elements that plants need to grow strong and withstand the challenges of extreme weather conditions. It acts like a sponge, absorbing and holding water during dry periods. This ability to retain moisture is crucial, especially in areas prone to drought. The soil's capacity to hold water ensures that plants have a steady supply of hydration, even when rainfall is scarce. It also provides nutrients that help plants withstand stress. These nutrients are vital for plant health, enabling them to grow robustly and resist diseases and pests. A nutrient-rich soil supports a diverse ecosystem of microorganisms that further enhance soil fertility. Adding compost is one of the best ways to improve soil health. Compost enriches the soil with organic matter, which boosts its fertility and structure. This organic matter acts as a natural fertilizer, slowly releasing nutrients that plants can absorb over time. Compost is decomposed organic matter. It includes kitchen scraps, garden waste, and other biodegradable materials that break down into a rich, dark substance. This process of decomposition recycles nutrients back into the soil, making them available for plant use. It improves soil structure, drainage, and nutrient content. Good soil structure allows roots to penetrate easily, access water and nutrients, and grow deeply. Improved drainage prevents waterlogging, which can suffocate roots and lead to plant diseases. Spread a layer of compost on your garden beds each year. This annual application replenishes the soil's organic matter, ensuring that it remains fertile and productive. Regular composting is a sustainable practice that enhances soil health over the long term. Mulching is another essential practice for extreme weather. Mulch acts as a protective barrier, shielding the soil from harsh environmental conditions. It helps to moderate soil temperature, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Mulch is a layer of organic material spread over the soil surface. It can be made from various materials, including wood chips, straw, and shredded leaves. These materials decompose over time, adding organic matter to the soil and improving its quality. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. By conserving soil moisture, mulch reduces the need for frequent watering. It also prevents weed growth by blocking sunlight, which weeds need to germinate and grow. Wood chips, straw, and shredded leaves make excellent mulch. Each type of mulch has its benefits, and using a combination can provide comprehensive protection and nourishment for your garden. Mulching is a simple yet effective way to enhance soil health and ensure your garden thrives in extreme conditions. Water management is crucial for climate-resilient gardening. As our climate continues to change, gardeners face the dual challenges of drought and deluge. Understanding how to navigate these extremes is essential for maintaining a healthy and productive garden. During droughts, you need to conserve water and help plants cope with dry conditions. This means being strategic about when and how you water your garden. Early morning or late evening watering reduces evaporation, ensuring that more water reaches the plant roots. During periods of heavy rain, you need to prevent soil erosion and waterlogging. Excess water can suffocate plant roots and wash away valuable topsoil. Implementing proper drainage systems can help mitigate these issues. To conserve water, use drip irrigation or soaker hoses. These methods deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and ensuring that plants get the moisture they need without waste. These methods deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation. This targeted approach not only conserves water, but also promotes healthier plant growth by providing consistent moisture levels. Water deeply and less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Deep roots help plants access water stored deeper in the soil, making them more resilient during dry spells. This makes plants more resilient to drought. By fostering deep root systems, your plants will be better equipped to survive extended periods without rain. To manage heavy rain, ensure good drainage in your garden beds. Proper drainage prevents water from pooling around plant roots, which can lead to root rot and other issues. Amend heavy clay soils with compost to improve drainage. Compost not only enhances soil structure but also adds essential nutrients, promoting overall plant health. Consider building raised beds, which drain more quickly than in-ground gardens. Raised beds elevate the soil, allowing excess water to drain away more efficiently and reducing the risk of waterlogging. During periods of heavy rainfall, protect your garden from erosion by using mulch or cover crops. Mulch helps retain soil moisture and prevents erosion, while cover crops can stabilize the soil and add organic matter. Regularly monitor soil moisture levels and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Using tools like rain gauges and soil moisture meters can help you make informed decisions about when and how much to water. By implementing these water management strategies, you can create a resilient garden that thrives despite the challenges of drought and deluge. With careful planning and attention to detail, your garden can flourish in any weather condition.